Did you know a bee sting is actually a complex biological machine? It doesn't just poke. The needle slides deep into the dermis layers, slicing through skin like butter. But here is the nightmare. Microscopic jagged barbs lock into your flesh, anchoring it tight. So when the bee tries to escape, it literally rips its own internal organs out just to leave this weapon behind. Even without the bee, the mechanism stays alive. It stands there on your arm like a piece of alien technology. That muscle sac keeps rhythmically pumping venom into you on its own. The longer it pumps, the more venom spreads, triggering massive swelling and burning pain. Never pinch it. Scrape it off sideways to stop the flow immediately.